Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quote to share with you what that's the normally say shall ever end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening to you. My wonderful family, a lot has been going on. In fact, I am forced to say something today. I said I can never keep quiet anymore. Enough is enough. Oh. We want to really get it clear today. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa, the disciples of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are both strong IPOB leaders. Yes, so though they are father and son, but they are the leaders of the Biafra movement that we are seeing today. Currently, these two personnel are under interrogation, very serious one. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, is in Nigeria with the fragment of Nigeria, DSS, asking some questions from one court hearing to another, from one adjournment to another. Why the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is in Finland pending his court release that will be coming up in May. Now, along the line, a lot of people have come out to say that the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa sent a message to them that everybody should fall to Briggy, that everybody should be under Biafra Republic government in exile, not in United States of Biafra. But that is not really my problem. They also say that Mazi, the Biafra Prime Minister, said everybody should stop saga. They should not be fighting one another. But the question is, are people really obeying that aspect? They have turned the Biafra struggle to saga from morning till night. So the one that happened today that really drew my attention is the one that they said that they visited the Biafra Prime Minister. There is some IPOB members in Finland. They went to visit Simon Ekpa and is in good faith, and he sent a lot of messages and so many other things. Good, but do they still inform Simon Ekpa that what they are doing right now, the name of the IPOB or the struggle that he left behind, or the purpose why he is asking those questions, these people are turning everything to playground. Like they are making joys of the struggle on social media. The name of the IPOB, people don't even regard it anymore. From morning till night is saga. There is nobody that we say stop, enough is enough, let's move ahead. Now, did you also inform the Biafra Prime Minister that? Is the Prime Minister aware that every IPOB member right now, as I am talking to you, or as you are listening to me, they are all labeled as Sabo? Wonders they say shall never end. You see the reason why people don't really want to pay attention to all this Simon Ekpa say, because if you really love what Simon Ekpa is doing, you really obey Simon Ekpa, there is a way Simon Ekpa do his things. All this shouting, all these things that is happening on social media, no. The time that Simon Ekpa was forced to really deal with issues during the time of DOS, we were making videos drawing the attention of the DOS that they should talk to the media warrior. The way they are attacking Simon Ekpa is unfair. The way they are attacking him is not good. They should stop. They should stop. They should stop. They refuse. Come on. Simon Ekpa was just doing his things. He don't even respond at times. We are the ones that respond. We are the ones that say, enough is enough. What is all this? Blah, blah, blah. And once upon a time, Simon Ekpa said, if I start attacking these people, if I start responding to these people, it will be unending. That is, It will not end. I will continue. Everybody thought it was a joke. And when Simon Ekpa started, omo, not be the way we see matter, not be so matter be. Simon Ekpa was able to convince the people through his actions. He was able to build the foundation of trust, hope, tried and tested from the people of Biafra and his followers. As at the time Simon Ekpa started responding to the DOS, they could no longer handle the situation. That was how everything escalated to this moment. That Simon Ekpa is not under the DOS. This is a brief history of what happened. Now, how will Simon Ekpa feel when he heard that the struggle or the people, the specific group of people that he left this struggle for, he said, I am going, I will be back. Do you know how painful that looks? That those people have turned the movement to saga. Now, let us come back to the Ambazonia. You see, when the chief of staff of Ambazonia was making his speech yesterday, oh my goodness, with unity and confidence, they even dropped a voice note of Dr. Sho Ayaba to convince his people that of a truth we were there. And a lot happened. Dr. Sho Ayaba addressed the nation yesterday, and it was so peaceful and lovely. Now, if you look around the Ambazonia, you will not see this type of huge saga. Everybody, both the ones that love Simon Ekpa, the ones that do not love him, the ones that will say, oh, crucify him, they all gather to laugh and to mock. Why the people that he left the struggle for started running from fire pan to fire, abusing everybody that comes their way. If you do not agree with what they believe, oh, you are sabo, you are evil, you are that. How will Simon Ekpa feel? That means all along, people are following Simon Ekpa out of that hypocrite nation. Yes, because if they really followed Simon Ekpa, by now they would have tried to stop this social media saga. This social media saga has caused a lot of harm. This social media saga has done a lot of things that people don't even want to believe that what they are saying is real or true, because too many information at the same time. I still ask this particular question with due respect to whosoever that we think that this thing that I've said is offensive or something. I am deeply sorry, but the truth got to be said. Is Simon Ekpa aware that social media na there? Now therefore they decide the issue of Biafra right now on social media. Oh my goodness, the way the social media is banging with exposition from the Biafran people. Is Simon Ekpa aware of this new change? Because I call it new changes, because nobody can say stop, this thing you guys are doing is wrong, this thing you people are doing is wrong, let's move on. No, everybody don't want to move on. Nobody want to move on. Nobody want to surrender to each person, but the war on social media is uncalled for. Honestly speaking, is a criteria whereby a lot of things have been exposed that are not supposed to be said online. That is why when they are saying support this, but people are scared because of what they have heard on social media. Now the big question is Simon Ekpa encouraged with the rate of saga on social media by the IPOB members? In fact, these are not even members, these are leadership, people that Simon Ekpa appointed, giving one office or the other. Look at what is happening on social media. Oh my goodness. I still remain your one and only Progress, the analyst, as I will keep on updating you on all the latest happening. Please do well to share our videos and subscribe to our channel, because here we touchlight all the information. Thank you so much, and bye for now.